all are having an absolutely amazing weekend. And like I said, thank you for being here. I do truly, truly appreciate it. I love it when you guys comment, and I love commenting back. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video. But as you can see from the description, we have a new box to unbox. It's new to my channel. It is the November 2018 DegustaBox. So I am actually really excited to open this. Like I said, this is the first time I have opened it. Yeah, so we're gonna see. It is $19.99 a month, and basically they just send you different food items, snacks, and just it's a variety of things. I will make sure to put a link down below if you would like to sign up. And I believe usually there's a code. I will double check and make sure to put it down below if I can find it, where you can get your first month for like 50% off. So also, if you are new to watching videos here on my channel, please go ahead and hit subscribe. We would love to have you join our YouTube family. But otherwise, you guys, let's get into this box. I'm so curious to see what is in here. I've seen other people do videos on this box, and it always seems so interesting. It's always newer products sometimes, maybe new to the market. So let's just get in here and see. All right. So this is what it looks like when you open it. And it's a sticker. It says, "Open me, eat me, enjoy me." So let's take a look. I see coupons. Gotta love coupons. And this is for popcorners. Save $1.01. And here it is. Okay, so this tells us about all the products in our box. And like I said, this is the November box. So let's just have our reference sheet and pick something out of here. This is a pretty big bag. Ooh. Okay. Welcome to Popcorn, Indiana. Black and white drizzle corn. That's a big bag. It's like a full, let's see. It says Popcorn, Indiana. This is $3.39. These are little pieces of art, but instead of paint, we use dark and white chocolate, and instead of a canvas, we use popcorn. Our black and white drizzle corn is rich dark chocolate and luscious white chocolate drizzled over our crunchy kettle corn. It's a salty and sweet masterpiece. Ooh, I bet that's good. Christopher will love that. I love it too. I'm just gonna grab. Here we have, okay, we got 4 bags of these. What are these? They're all the same. This is Popcorners. Popcorners are a delicious, wholesome snack made with non-GMO corn sourced from our network of family farmers right here in the USA. And it is $3.29 for a 7-ounce bag. I got 4 half-ounce, so 0.5 ounce. And it's in sweet and salty kettle corn. So these will be interesting. So the picture kind of makes me think of like rice cakes, but obviously it's corn. So, but I'm thinking it may be similar. I don't know. We'll find out. Let's see. Oh, I've seen these before. Okay. Balduco? I don't know if I'm saying that correctly. Panettone? Again, I don't know if I'm saying it correctly. This is the item. It's a traditional Italian holiday cake made with care in a process that takes 52 hours. The mini panettone is the bite-sized version of this delicacy, perfect for on the go and as a gift option for the holiday season. And if I didn't say this is $2.99. So that's interesting. I am specialty cake, original, moist and fresh. It says it's candied fruits and raisins. Heaven with coffee. So I'm interested to try that. That'll be very interesting. Oh, okay. Pearson Candy Company. These are coconut patties. It says minis. It says these are $1. And it says coconut patties are small discs that pack a powerful punch containing coconut and covered in incredible rich dark chocolate. Yummy. And also from Pearson Candy Company, we have mint patties. These are $2.49, medallion shaped for a reason. Mint patties are filled with creamy centers made of aromatic real peppermint oil and covered in rich dark chocolate. So far I'm liking this. This seems pretty neat. Packed with some things in here, keeping stuff fresh. And this is interesting. Y'all, I swear I just heard like a fly or a bee or something buzz near my ear. I guess I'll have to see in the replay of the video if there was something there. I don't see anything. Okay, anyway, moving on. This is chickpea. Chickpea lentil and chickpea lentil mac and cheese. And there's a fly in here, y'all. Chickpea lentil mac and cheese, classic cheddar. This is interesting. $3.99. Chickpea mac and cheese is everything you crave in a comfort food, but without the guilt. We've paired our organic, nutritious, gluten-free chickpea lentil pasta with a clean, organic cheese sauce that you and your family will love. Not just better for you, good for you. That's interesting. I have never seen these. There is a fly in here. I thought I let a fly in earlier when I was letting the dogs out. So, okay. You boil the pasta, drain out, add milk and butter. So, okay, so you make it just like the Kraft mac and cheese. This, I'm gonna try and I'm gonna make this and I'm gonna try it, and if it's good, I'm serving it with dinner. And I won't tell nobody. That it's actually healthy. Something with my husband and even Christopher, if they know it's good for you, they're like, it didn't taste that great. So we'll see. So let's see here. What is this little guy? Wholesome Goodness Tuxedo Mix. Looks kind of like a trail mix. Tuxedo Mix brings together delicious yogurt-covered raisins and peanuts with crunchy dark chocolate-covered soy nuts and infusion roasted peanuts for an incredible flavor combination. An incredible flavor combination, an exciting way to energize your day. This is $1.25. That sounds interesting. Okay, it's yogurt covered raisins. I get the, I love the Sargento Balanced Breaks. They come in a 3-pack and they're like this big. And it's like, the one I always get is like roasted almonds, has like little pieces of cheddar cheese, and then it has, with the almonds, raisins and like little yogurt drops, and it's so good as a little snack. And I love trail mix, so that sounds really, really good. What is this? Oh, I've never seen this before either. This is from Bush's Best Bean Dip. My husband will like that. $2.49. Nobody knows. Y'all have flies after me. Ugh, I have to get him. Nobody knows beans better than Bush's. Family owned and operated on tables across America for over 100 years. These tasty bean dips are packed with flavor. You can feel good serving Bush's bean dip to family and friends because it's low sodium, trans fat free, and has no added sugar. And it looks like could have gotten the original, which is what I got, or black bean. This is interesting. This says a gift. Nutiva. Nutiva's organic culinary oils give you more ways to cook healthy using nutritious products made organically, ethically, and without harsh chemical processing. These are all little coconut oils. So we have a refined coconut oil, a buttery flavor coconut oil, and then virgin coconut oil. So that's nice to try. And then it looks like there's one more thing in here. Ooh. Y'all. It was just Halloween a few days ago, but this is grown-up candy right here. Grand Belgian Specialties. The Grand Assorted Chocolates box gives you a variety of 16 pure Belgian chocolates, or pralines as we like to call them, which are engineered for enchantment. Our signature chocolate recipes are tested for taste, bite, and the perfect amount of shine. And this, my mind is not working. That flies throw me off. $6.99. All right, so a scrumptious cream filling enhanced with spices, covered in milk chocolate, and topped with delightful speculoos pieces. And then there's one of the smooth hazelnut praline enclosed in a delicate white chocolate heart. Decadent flavors in one delicious dark chocolate bite. White ganache with chopped pistachio. Ooh, that sounds so good. Milk chocolate and truffle filling. And then we have intense dark chocolate, Himalayan salted caramel filling. A delicate mocha cream filling enrobed with white chocolate. Bittersweet dark chocolate filled with a smooth truffle filling, and a delicious mix of milk chocolate and hazelnut praline. Oh goodness. Coffee. And there's one with it's chocolate, hazelnut praline, and crumbled biscuit. Tiramisu ganache. Delicious milk chocolate cup filled with a rich salted caramel filling, topped with nougat pieces, coconut ganache, intense dark chocolate with a smooth dark ganache filling, dark chocolate ganache with crispy cocoa ribs, milk chocolate butterfly filled with dulce de leche cream, and crunchy white meringue granules. Yeah, this is adult candy, and it is going to be amazing. So that's really awesome, y'all. Like, this is the only thing I've ever heard of. As far as, I mean, obviously I've heard of trail mix, I've heard of coconut patties, I've heard of mint patties, but as far as the brand in itself, this is the only item I have heard of. So we got an amazing box of chocolates, bean dip, the bag of mint patties, coconut patties, the thing of Tuxedo mix, the little popcorners, 4 bags of these, and kettle corn, the cake, and the Chickpea Mac and Cheese, and then the black and white popcorn, black and white drizzle popcorn. So, oh, and the 3 little coconut oil samples. So yeah, I actually like DegustaBox. So let me know let me know down in the comments if you guys get this box, if you have received it before, or you thinking about it, if you like it. And like I said, I will make sure to put a link to the website. And if I can find a coupon code for you guys, you know I'll put it down there. But give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Let me know what you thought. I hope you all have a fabulous weekend, and I will talk with you with the next video. Bye.